broken. What Wave Walker would not hold together long enough to reach Australia. It was flared. Okay, now the voyage, the Wave Walker will not was destroyed too much, though it was not permissible, or it was not happened. It cannot take to till Australia. Okay, it cannot reach Australia. Now what happened? Only hope of the captain. Now what happened? To reach either to the two small island a few hundred kilometer of east, one of the LA, Amsterdam, a French scientific base, or could be possible only if the wind slowed down, allowing the sail to be hosted. Okay, now they have the hope. Okay, the wind and everything, the waves and everything has slowed down. Okay, they all sea is in the normal position, but and what happened? They cannot have Wave Walker is not now that much condition. Okay, they reach to their destination, but they can go to some near island. Okay, and that is a few hundred kilometers away. First is Amsterdam, and if that is also they, if wind can allow them to sail by themselves, hosted by themselves, that then only they can reach to that island. Okay, now moving ahead with the crucial days. Now we have gone through with date 1, 2 and 3. Now crucial days. Now 3 and 4th January. What happened with the 4th and 5th January? After 36 hours of continuous pumping, there was only a few centimeters of water left. Okay, crew had to keep pace with the water still coming in, could not stay and seal into the mast. Hosted the storm zip and headed in the direction of two islands. Black clouds build up again at 4 p.m. Now again black clouds build up. Wind back to 40 knots. Sea getting higher. Down of January 5, situation become desperate. Now situation become on 5th January, that situation become more desperate. Now this is the time to show their courage. To show of exemplary courage. Okay. Now Captain Sons, Jonathan, who is 7 years old, exhibited rare courage by saying, we aren't afraid of dying if we can all be together. See, small baby, small child can give you a courage in this difficult situation. So everyone, we will never lose hope in any situation of our life. Okay, children. New determination and courage revived in the captain to fight the sea. Decided to protect the weakened starboard side. Now, with that courage note, they have decided to fight back to the sea. Okay. Now, what happened? They all safe at last. Okay. At January 6, till from January 2 to 5, they are fighting with the heavy waves and high storms and everything. But on 6th, what happened? On 6th, so Wave Walker ride out the storm and the wind eased. Captain tried to get a reading on the extent. In the chart room, worked on wind speed, changes of course, draft and current in order to calculate their position. Okay, everything, because their everything has destroyed, their board is also destroyed. Okay, now what happened? Check main compass loss, the spare one not corrected for magnetic variations. Depending on his calculation, asked Larry to steer a course of 185 at around 2 p.m. Expected to the sea the island at about 5 p.m. Thought he himself was not very sure. Dozed off. Woke up at 6 p.m. disheartedness that they had probably missed the island. Now what happened? They missed the island. His son John and daughter Sue then appeared and hugged him, calling him the best daddy and the best captain, for they had found the island. The voyagers touched shore at the LA Amsterdam. Courage, conviction, a keen presence of mind, and above all the strength of family brought them successfully out of their ordeal. Okay, now what happened? With everything, courage and sense of mind, presence of mind, convictions, and with the support of family members, they all successfully landed in a island. Okay, now students, with that we have completed the summary of the chapters. It was not line by line, but I try to explain main points so that you can go through. If while reading the chapter you will come and go through it, that you will come to understand the chapter very well. Important is, the thing is कि you have to read the chapter, that only will help you. Okay, and the theme of the chapter is, the passage has a string of themes woven into it. First is the human nature of knowing and exploring the unknown and taking on challenges. First is what के the human nature is exploring things, unknown things he want to explore. And the second, human instinct of survival. Human, the second, his instinct, inner thing, inner wants to survive. So they survive themselves. Okay. And the third, human bravery, greed, courage, and determination, which are exhibited even by little children, Sue and Jonathan, beside their parents, and Larry and Hud. Four elements of luck. The captain decided to take Larry and Hub as crew, proves very lucky for their role in vital in saving the ship. Luckily, a pinprick of an island, LA Amsterdam, is near enough for the ship to reach safely. Fifth, faith in one's optimism and sharp presence of mind. It is these qualities of the captain which are instrumental in a wave walker and its crew to survive. Okay, this was the theme, that 5 main theme points, that they survive and they had a nice time. Okay, now students, I will post some hard words in the WhatsApp group, so you can write it in your notebook. Okay.